Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $200? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 3D printer is a popular entry-level model known for its open-source design, affordability, and strong community support. It offers a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, approximately 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, providing ample space for a variety of printing projects. Assembly is straightforward, typically taking around 2 hours, making it ideal for beginners seeking hands-on experience. The printer features a resume printing function, allowing it to continue prints after power outages or interruptions, enhancing reliability. It supports a range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, and TPU, and includes a heated aluminum bed for improved adhesion and reduced warping. Smooth and quiet operation is ensured by V-slot wheels with POM, contributing to consistent print quality. While it lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, such as auto bed leveling or touch-screen interfaces, its open-source nature allows for extensive customization and upgrades, making it a versatile choice for both learning and advanced 3D printing projects. Number 2. Elegoo MAS for MSLA 3D Printer. The Elegoo MAS for MSLA 3D printer is a high-resolution resin printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional detail and speed in their prints. Equipped with a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD boasting an impressive 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 micrometers XY resolution, it delivers ultrafine details and sharp edges, making it ideal for intricate models and miniatures. The printer offers a build volume of 153.36 by 77.76 by 175 mm, approximately 6.04 by 3.06 by 6.89 inches, providing ample space for various printing projects without compromising on accuracy. Featuring a powerful COB light source composed of 36 LEDs beneath the monochrome LCD, the MAS ensures uniform UV light distribution across the build area, resulting in consistent and precise prints. Its laser-engraved build plate enhances adhesion during printing and simplifies model removal post-print. The user-friendly 3.5-inch touchscreen interface includes a model preview function and a real-time progress bar, allowing users to monitor and adjust the printing process as needed. Additionally, the printer's stable Z-axis, driven by a linear guide rail, reduces layer texture and contributes to smoother model surfaces. Number 3. Tranxy Crux 1 3D Printer. The Tranxy Crux 1 is a compact and budget-friendly 3D printer designed for enthusiasts seeking precision and reliability in a miniaturized form factor. With a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 mm, approximately 7.08 by 7.08 by 7.08 inches, it offers ample space for various printing projects. The printer features a direct drive extruder, enhancing filament control and enabling the use of flexible materials like TPU. Its double OSG 15 guide rails and metal pulleys contribute to smooth and stable motion along the X and Y axes, reducing vibrations and improving print quality. The inclusion of adjustable belts allows for fine-tuning of the printer's mechanics, ensuring optimal performance. Additionally, the PEI-coated magnetic bed provides excellent adhesion and easy removal of prints, streamlining the post-processing workflow. Weighing just 5.8 kilograms, the Crux 1 is lightweight and portable, making it suitable for both home and educational settings. Its straightforward assembly process and user-friendly interface further enhance its appeal to beginners and hobbyists. Overall, the Tranxy Crux 1 delivers a balance of affordability and functionality, making it a compelling choice for those entering the world of 3D printing. Number 4. Anycubic 3D Printer Cobra 2 Neo. The Anycubic Cobra 2 Neo is a high-speed FDM 3D printer designed for both beginners and experienced users seeking efficiency and precision. It features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, approximately 8.7 by 8.7 by 9.84 inches, accommodating a wide range of printing projects. The printer is equipped with the LeviQ 2.0 auto leveling system, ensuring consistent first layers and reducing setup time. With a maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, it delivers rapid and accurate prints. The Cobra 2 Neo comes semi-assembled, allowing for easy and quick setup, making it ideal for new users. Combining speed, precision, and user-friendly features in an affordable package, it provides excellent value for those entering the world of 3D printing or looking for a reliable, high-performance printer. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact and user-friendly FDM 3D printer tailored for both beginners and enthusiasts seeking high-speed, multicolor printing capabilities. With a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 mm, it offers ample space for various projects. The printer boasts a maximum print speed of 500 mm per second and supports acceleration up to 10,000 mm², ensuring rapid and precise printing. Equipped with a full metal hot end capable of reaching temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, it accommodates a wide range of filament types, including PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA. The bamboo textured PEI build plate enhances adhesion and simplifies print removal.